Hello, this is Tim Wolf with PPI, and I'm here to talk about our angled wing products that we offer. So, just to start, a wing pulley is designed to minimize belt damage when material gets on the belt and maybe comes between the belt and the pulley. It gives a place for that material to go. Classical straight wings have some issues that the angled wing tends to improve on. The angled wing first gives you the ability of, when material comes in, being at an angle, it provides a force to move the material to the ends of the pulley and get it out. In addition, you have better noise and vibration characteristics because the belt is coming in at one spot on the wing, and as it progresses, it's a more gentle interface between the belt and the pulley. In addition, angled wing products tend to have a more open construction, so they have less issues with plugging and entrapment of material. PPI has a broad range of products within this series, and the standard product that we offer is what we call the plate herringbone wing. So this is designed with a thick plate that can be from about a ½ inch thick all the way up to an inch thick, depending on the size and the type of pulley that you're looking for. All of these pulleys are designed with a heavy drum or tube construction, so you have very strong design, and they're all standard with the XT hub and bushing system and can be provided with keyless locking assembly or SSP or some other custom options as desired. The plate herringbone wing is provided in a diameter from 6-inch diameter all the way up to 60-inch diameter, and a face width from 12 all the way out to 78-inch face. So a very broad product offering. As we move into the round bar herringbone wing, this is our product that we have sold for many years. The round bar contact surface comes in a 1-inch diameter up to 1 1/4 for larger sizes, and it is also offered with an AR400 material that provides better wear capabilities. And then moving up to our continuing product, the continuing product is intended for very abrasive applications. The contact bar is a chromium carbide material which has 3 to 4 times the wear capabilities of our other standard products in the herringbone line. The chromium carbide is curved to form to the wing, and it's also twisted so that it follows the diameter and gives good interface with the belt. During that manufacturing process, that hard chromium carbide material will develop cracks occasionally across its surface, and you may experience or notice some small pop-outs here and there. Those are standard things that are part of the construction of that product and do not impact its performance or its performance with the belt. In addition to what we have showing here, PPI offers a couple of grain-specific products. The boot herringbone wing and the grain herringbone wing. The boot herringbone wing has a sensor ring on each end that is used to pick up its position relative to the casing of the conveyor, and the grain herringbone wing will have a metal bracket that attaches to the end of the wing with a rubber flapper that helps clean grain from the corners of the casing of the conveyor. In conclusion, PPI has a broad line of angled wing products. All of them have unique features for your conveyor because of the angled wing. They run quieter, they have less vibration, and because of the open construction, they tend to not plug, and because of the angled wing, they do a better job of moving material out away from the conveyor.